It was raining whole day. Now the weather is fine. So I think I should change, right? Better. Learn fast way to change. What's up everyone, this is Manish Arora here. Hope you are all fine. Today I am going to teach you about how to shoot epic pictures of oil and water like this. These are abstract photos of oil with water. We have shot some awesome pictures of soap bubble in the last video. It will be here around left or right, I don't know wherever. So using those photos, we will be creating some abstract photographs which will be unique. You can shoot these pictures with your entry-level DSLR, micro four thirds. You can use any lens like 1855, 55-250, 18-135, macro lens. You can use your extension tubes and even you can use your smartphone. These days smartphones are phenomenal and you can get amazing results from that as well. For creating these type of photos, all you need household materials like water, oil, glass. I will show you my setup. Setup is very easy and very easy to assemble. As you all can see the setup, glass is placed just above my mobile phone in which I'll display a photograph which will give abstract patterns. My camera is mounted on tripod with a 100mm lens. Our main ingredient is our water. And I'll just put some mustard oil in the water and let's see what we can get. Oil can be vegetable oil, olive oil, refined oil, mustard oil, any oil which is available in your home, you can put that. First I will put 1 teaspoon. Just mix it gently. So I will select the image from our previous shoot in my phone and phone will be kept under the glass filled with water. We can zoom in, zoom out, we can change the images, we can see which pattern looks best in our images. When the image is selected, zoom the image little bit and place under the glass. Immediately you will start observing that beautiful patterns of oil have been created because oil is lighter than water, so it will float on the water. Just stir the oil gently. Let the oil settle so that we can start shooting. My settings are, my shutter speed is 1/160, aperture is 2.8 to 4, it will depend upon the depth I require, and ISO is 800. I will use a remote release so that I will not get a shake in my photographs, and I will focus through my viewfinder. And when I start getting some beautiful abstracts, I'll start clicking my photographs. This is looking very nice. I'll go and click some more pictures. Now I'm going to attach my extension tubes. First I will attach my 31mm and 21mm. You can see that after attaching extension tubes I can focus more closely and beauty of these bubbles are unimaginable. Wow, this looks so pretty. I'll go for it. Look how bubbles swirl around in the glass in a particular manner and they look awesome. In between, keep on mixing the oil with the spoon gently so that more bubbles are formed. Look, they are moving in such a beautiful manner. I'll click some more pictures. Now I'm going to attach my 13mm last part of my extension tube. Now look at the lens, it has become giant. Now you can see hundreds and thousands of small and large bubbles. Make sure you only focus on the bubbles, not the photo beneath the bubbles, right? So I'm going to shoot more pictures of oil bubbles and I'll post the pictures at the end of the video, so keep watching. I will post my images on Instagram also, so don't forget to follow me. Link is in the description below. Hope you like this video, and if you learned something, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet, and if you have some questions, put them in the comments below. I'll definitely answer them, and I'll see you in the next video.